Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. One of our Alpaka Bravo X viewers has requested me to do this quick extension video just to show you how much we can pack into the Bravo X. Watch the original video if you haven't already. The top part of the sling can expand pretty wide to accommodate a lot of things. This is how the Bravo X looks when it's fully loaded. I don't normally carry this headset with me. I just put this headset in there just to demonstrate I can fit a small headset. Now I will let you watch the rest of the video yourself. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. This is the link to my original Alpaka Bravo X video. Click over to watch if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.